Hello everyone. In this video, we will do question number 2 of exercise 11.2, that is of class 10th construction chapter, which says construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. We also have to verify the measurement that we do through calculation. We will take a point O, and with O as center, we will draw two concentric circles, one with radius 6 centimeter and other with radius 4 centimeter. And since we have to draw pair of tangents from the bigger circle to the smaller circle, we'll mark a point P on the outer circle, join OP, and we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP to find the midpoint of the line segment OP. After drawing the perpendicular bisector, we'll mark this point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector and the line segment OP as M, that is the midpoint of OP. So we will name the midpoint of line segment OP as M. Now with M as center and radius equal to OM, we will draw a circle. To intersect the circle, the smaller circle at 2 points, we'll mark these points as point Q and point R respectively. We will join PQ and PR. Then PQ and PR are the required tangents. So let us just see the steps of construction that we have followed. First of all, we have drawn two concentric circles of radius 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and we have marked their center as O. Step 2 is to take a point P on circle of 6 centimeter such that PO is equal to 6 centimeter. This is from point P that we will be drawing two tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeter. Join PO and bisect it. Let M be the midpoint of PO. So we will bisect it by drawing the perpendicular bisector of PO. Step 4 is taking M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle. Let it intersect the circle with radius 4 centimeter at points Q and R. We will join PQ and PR, and PQ and PR are the required tangents to the circle of radius 4 centimeter. Let us now see the justification for the same. We will join OQ and OR. Angle PQO is 90 degree since it is the angle in semicircle of the circle which has center M. Therefore, we have that PQ is perpendicular to OQ. Since OQ is the radius, therefore PQ is the tangent to the circle. As we know, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Similarly, we have PR is also the tangent to the circle. So, PQ and PR are the required tangents to the circle. Now, let us just measure the tangents. The length of tangents by actual measurement using scale comes out to be 4.5 centimeter. This is so because we have a right triangle here, that is triangle PQO, in which angle Q is 90 degree, and we have OQ, which is the radius of the smaller circle, is 4 centimeter. OP, which is the radius of the larger circle, is 6 centimeter, and we are supposed to find the measure of PQ, which is the tangent. So for this we will be applying Pythagoras theorem, that is OP square is OQ square plus QP square. So on putting the values, we have PQ as 2 root 5 and approximately it comes out to be equal to 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, we can do the same calculation in triangle PRO, or otherwise also we know that the tangents from an external point to a circle are equal in length. Hence PQ is equal to PR is equal to 4.5 centimeter.